Hey Sarah, how's it going?
Hi, John. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. So, today we're here to practice English speaking for beginners. Specifically, we'll be focusing on making small talk and socializing.
That's right. Small talk can be tricky, but it's so important for building relationships and making connections in English. We'll go over some simple conversations that you can have with people in everyday situations. Ready to get started?
Absolutely. Let's begin with something basic, starting a conversation. Hi there. My name is John. What's your name?
Hi, John. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I love working on creative projects. How about you?
That sounds interesting. I work in marketing. I help companies promote their products and services.
Notice how we started with a simple introduction. Asking someone about their name and what they do is a great way to break the ice. It's polite and helps the conversation flow naturally.
So, John, what do you like to do in your free time?
I'm really into photography. I love capturing beautiful moments, especially in nature. What about you?
That's awesome. I enjoy reading and hiking. It's a great way to relax and stay active.
Talking about hobbies is another great way to keep a conversation going. People love sharing what they're passionate about, and it gives you more to talk about. Asking open-ended questions like, "What do you like to do in your free time?" encourages the other person to share more.
It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect. The sun is shining and the temperature is just right. It's nice to have a day like this after all the rain we've had lately.
I know, right? I hope this weather sticks around for a while. Do you have any plans to enjoy it?
I'm thinking about going for a walk later. Maybe even have a picnic. How about you?
That sounds great. I might go for a bike ride. It's a good way to take advantage of this nice weather.
Talking about the weather is one of the most common forms of small talk. It's an easy topic because everyone can relate to it. It's also a good way to start a conversation if you don't know the person well.
Have you been following the news lately?
Yeah, I've been keeping up with it. There's a lot going on in the world right now. Did you hear about the new environmental policies they're proposing?
Yes, I did. It's great to see that people are becoming more aware of climate change and the need to protect our planet. What do you think about it?
I think it's a step in the right direction. We all need to do our part to take care of the environment. It's important for future generations.
Talking about current events can make a conversation more interesting and engaging. Just make sure to be mindful of the other person's opinions and avoid controversial topics if you're unsure of their views.
So, what are you guys up to this weekend? Any fun plans?
Actually, I was thinking about going to the beach. The weather is supposed to be great. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to come. Maybe we can invite a few more people and make a day out of it.
Good idea. We could pack some snacks and have a little picnic by the water.
When making plans with friends, it's a good idea to be flexible and suggest ideas that everyone can enjoy. Keep the conversation light and friendly, and make sure everyone feels included.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I just watched an amazing thriller the other day. It kept me on the edge of my seat the whole time. How about you? Any recommendations?
I've been really into documentaries lately. There's a great one about space exploration that I think you'd enjoy.
That sounds interesting. I've always been fascinated by space. I'll definitely check it out.
Movies and TV shows are another easy topic to bring up in conversation. People love talking about what they've been watching, and it can lead to more in-depth discussions.
Hey Sarah, I just wanted to say that I really admire the presentation you gave at the meeting today. You did a fantastic job.
Thank you so much, John. That means a lot to me. I worked hard on it, so I'm glad it came across well.
You're welcome. Your hard work definitely paid off. Keep it up.
Complimenting someone is a great way to build rapport and make them feel good. Just make sure your compliment is sincere and specific, so it doesn't come across as forced.
Have you been traveling recently?
Yes, I just got back from a trip to Italy. It was amazing. The food, the culture, the history, everything was incredible.
That sounds wonderful. I've always wanted to visit Italy. What was your favorite part of the trip?
It's hard to choose, but I'd say visiting the ancient ruins in Rome was definitely a highlight. How about you? Any travel plans coming up?
I'm planning to visit Japan next year. I'm really excited to explore the culture and try some authentic Japanese cuisine.
Talking about travel is a great way to share experiences and learn about different cultures. It's also a fun topic that can lead to more in-depth conversations.
Hi there. I'm John. How do you know the host?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I work with the host at the same company. How about you?
I'm an old friend of theirs from college. It's great to meet new people at gatherings like this.
Absolutely. It's always fun to make new connections. Have you been to any good parties lately?
Not recently, but this one seems like it's going to be a good time.
When you're at a social event, it's important to be approachable and friendly. Asking people how they know the host is an easy way to start a conversation and find common ground.
Well, John, it's been great chatting with you. I've really enjoyed our conversation.
Same here, Sarah. Thanks for the great conversation. I've learned a lot, and I hope our viewers did too.
I hope so, too. Remember, everyone, the key to small talk is to stay relaxed, be yourself, and show genuine interest in the other person. Keep practicing, and it'll get easier over time.
That's right. Don't be afraid to start conversations and make connections. You've got this.
Thanks for watching our video on English speaking practice for beginners. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and practice sessions. See you next time.